I am your friend, Abdul. Majid. PR. Friends, today we tell you the story of a village. Let us hear from Mary.
One day, a rich and arrogant nobleman named Rajan visited the village. He had heard about Kavi's exceptional work and decided to commission a grand statue for his mansion. When Rajan met Kavi, he was unimpressed with the humble workshop and found it beneath his status to associate with a mere stone carver. Despite his arrogance, he agreed to commission the statue, thinking it would serve as a symbol of his wealth and power. Kavi took the task seriously and worked tirelessly on the statue. Every chisel strike was filled with love and devotion, even though he knew the statue was meant to inflate Rajan's ego rather than genuinely appreciate art. He hoped that somehow his work might change the nobleman's heart. As the days passed, Rajan observed Kavi's dedication and the passion he put into